So when I create a map and then a corresponding layout, I often want to print these. You'll be turning in most of your labs and your work as PDFs and sometimes entering data separately, but you'll almost always turn in one to several PDFs. And so I want to go from the layout or insert tab to the share tab. And the share tab allows me then to export my layout here. And so when I click on it, I get options like a location where I want to put my layout. And for the most part, I want to put this with my other data. So I've been putting stuff inside of Lab1. Here's a previous version to make sure it works. So I can name this something like, so this is my sample output. And I want the resolution to be somewhere between 150 and 300. I can take the default. That'll be good for this class, most cases. And so I can click export, and it'll export the map. Now, I'm putting in the same lab directory here on my desktop. You'll want to copy this to your iDrive with all your work when you're done, as given in the instructions early on. But if I click there and I go through, I can see then, yep, there it showed up. And if I click on it, the Adobe Reader will come up, set up in this option, and it'll show it printed my PDF file here. Now, I always want to look, because this, I can notice when I look closely, oh, I've biffed the scale bar. I would want to expand that some. So you want to make sure that you review your PDFs, and when everything's hunky-dory, go ahead and then turn it in the course website.